Oh my gosh. Hi. Good evening. This is Punk Zombie.
Guys, stay over!
It's a nice full moon. At least I'm assuming it's a full moon. It is definitely April. Halloween's not anywhere close to happening right now.
Idiot! Get on the point!
Sergeant Ham. That's a funny word. Yo.
Thank you!
I'm gonna definitely Uber this guy. Sounds like an incredibly intelligent idea by me. Don't shoot me. Imagine if they got me right there. That would have been pretty funny, wouldn't it? That scout's kind of... Oh gosh, I got stuck. Oh boy. Oh, that... Mr. Pibb? The legendary soft drink? That's a scout.
Delta, where's the sentry?
Frick is this game, dude. That's sad.
Alert. Our last control point is being captured.
Bring it. Bring it!
Get on the point! Hello?
Come on, Rio. The man who would do things. Oh my god. This gets bad enough, I may have to go vaccinate her. Wow, what was that, dude? Oh, I saved that pyro. Aw. Right now I'm charged. That's death.
Danke!
What do you... Dude? That was kind of embarrassing. I'm just gonna leave you. I'll save you, Mr. Pibb. That's a demo man. Oh my god!
Yo, NG, go hit my sentry on the point, would you? Thanks.
Good job, engineer. You see, teamwork makes the dream work in Team Fortress 5. That's a person.
Soldier spy, medic spy.
Damn it, they're gonna get it. Get on the point.
Yeah.
Don't let them.
Get on the point.
I think they have it. They Ubered on point.
No, it's not! Ah, yes, it is.
Mission begins.
We definitely tried. Was it our best? No idea.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's an Uber. Oh, that's death. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Nope, because I'm lucky and they use that stupid vlog. It's Leo Rio again, the man who will do something. Oh, that's a spy. Stay at second point. Oh my god. No, I missed. Oh my gosh. Oh, behind you, behind. It happens. It's okay. That's a heavy's a spy. Oh, it's an engineer now.
See if I can kill that Flog Pyro and reset his progress.
Saved him.
We need at least one medic with Uber.
Can't kill the Pyro, but I got their level 3 dispenser.
Oh, what's the aim? That's a pyro. Oh my god. Oh, he's full health. Oh my gosh, ow. Oh, he got me.
Thank you, Delta.
That's a bad idea. Why'd I do that? That's crits. No.
Delta, can you heal my sentry, please? It's on like 1.
It's up top.
He's just standing there, menacingly.
He's just
You just ain't
standing.
doing it right.
Oh my gosh.
She has so much aura. And it's dead.
Depressing.
Shit. Oh. Did quadruple damage, actually.
Oh my.
Okay, they have a femboy medic combo coming in. Thank you.
Flog coming in. Flog heavy. Medic. They're
They
not
Ubered.
Yep, Uber flog, Uber flog.
Cringe.
Uber heavy.
Pop, they pop.
Almost out of bullets. Uber flog.
God, man.
Oh my god, that's another flog.
I'm swapping to the funny.
Dude, there's just so much spam that they're sending through. It's so pointless.
Whoa. Good job, guys.
Nice.
Danke, Herr Doctor.
Mission begins in 30 seconds.
Deploy a dispenser here. Come here.
Sentry's down, push in.
That's low.
Scout behind us. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, nice.
I'm on their second right now, spy.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Dead ringing. Probably.
Push in, I Ubered. They don't have a sentry.
Push. Get on point, stupids.
Yes. Spy. Oh my gosh.
Dead ringing.
Nice.
Okay. Who wants Uber?
I'm an engineer.
No.
We were the heavy. Recreate the video.
Recreate Meet the Doctor.
The doctor?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, what? No, let's meet the medic.
I am so dead.
Get the sentry getting put up. Get the sentry. Get the sentry.
I'm
Get
alive.
the sentry.
Los weiter.
Go for the sentry. I put push in.
With Uber.
They crits as well. Never mind.
Benji's dead.
They have a teleporter in that small
Electric
building, by the way.
50. Heavy is head peeking on the ledge.
shit.
It's fucking cornball. Heavy's dead.
Got their sniper.
We have point.
Shit.
We'll get a telly up soon.
Nice.
Go, go, go. They're all dead, mostly.
Mach schnell.
Keep the pressure on them. I Uber, we can go in.
Can we
I know,
stop
I know.
running directly into their traps?
Alright, press W.
Push in, I Ubered.
You know, let's get
Yo,
that.
they're pushing nest. They're pushing nest. I gotta move the teleporter.
Their sentry energy's dead. Kill the pyro. I did so much work.
I need an Uber. I need an Uber now. I need an Uber now. Where's the fucking medics?
Where are you? Nice.
Hey Pyro, when you respawn, the teleporter's about to be up. Give it 2 seconds. Here you go.
Nice.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Log bog pog dog in the slog.
Huh?
This nest is about to get fucked up.
No! Gosh.
Arrow, medics. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Herr Doctor.
I'm advancing the teleporter.
Oh, not an Uber.
There's a demo behind us.
There is a demo behind us. Come on. Push.
He did now.
Push.
Aw.
There's
There's
get that
that
heavy.
attack.
There's a heavy and sniper and all that stuff. There's a lot.
I'm advancing to teleporter.
Oh, I got snipped.
They Ubered.
I got his medic.
Oh my gosh.
Assistance, Peter.
I'm awesome. I'm so good at this game.
Oh my god. I'm proud of my teleporter.
Left house, a
And
bunch of
Delta.
them.
Donka here, doctor.
We're doing it.
Okay then.
Get the heavy. Get the heavy. Get the heavy. Get the heavy. That heavy with the brass piece is our #1 target.
Ready to charge.
Their fucking Uber ran out.
Push.
They're
mostly dead.
fucking
Push.
tried
I got
beating
one
it to
sentry.
death and he turned around. That shows the funniest shit I've ever seen.
Get the heavy. Get the heavy. Get the heavy. Get the heavy.
Good job, Demo.
Got the sentry down.
Wrangler comes in clutch, dude.
Oh no. That's a lot of.
Nice.
Oh my god. There he goes, I guess. Jeez, that guy's insane. No! No! Oh! Nice. Why did you get off the point?
Hit like 3 spies near our spawn area. First point. I guess I'm switching off NG. I'll go sniper or something. I don't know.
I'm moving this pyro, why not? Oh, damn. Not the best idea, but at least we both lived. That's nice, okay. Yo, very, very important question. What is your guys' favorite type of cheese? Aww.
Victory. Mission begins in 30 seconds.
I am no doctor. You are in bad hands.
Mission begins in 10 seconds.
And Pyro saved my life. Won't be complaining about that one. Spy behind you, Heavy. Nice. Please just... Nice.
Alright, loading dock is clear.
Aw, dude. Oh my gosh. Bum bum be dum bum be dum bum be dum bum be dum bum. Don't die on me. Nice. They Ubered. Scout going behind us. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nice. Oh, that was a crit too,
My
dang it.
sniper.
Find you, Heavy. I don't know what I just did there, but it avoided me from that pyro. Oh boy. They're pushing us away.
Attention. 5 minutes left in the mission.
Come on.
5 minutes left in the mission.
Ready to charge! Get on the point, sometime!
No, no, kill me. Don't you fucking kill me.
Thank you! Don't go here, Doctor!
Control point is being contested.
I am charged!
Nice.
All that control point is being captured. The final control point is being contested.
Idiot! Stand on the point! Danke! I am fully charged!
Who's a suitable person? You're suitable. Very suitable. Holy crap. Good job, Blue Star. They Ubered. May have a spy coming up your way. Sniper.
Roger that.
Never mind, he was going for me.
Mission ends in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice defense, guys.
Alright, I think that was a good spot to end on. It was really fun to play during this full moon. Thank you all for accompanying me. This has been Punk Zombie, and I'll see you all next time.